you're wasting money. You're wasting dollars that could be allocated to something else. Are you struggling to stay consistent, whether it's working out in your business or at your job? I can tell you why, and it's because you do not have systems in place. Welcome to Whiteboard Wednesdays, episode 6. I'm your host, Dean, the Wealth Coach. So as I mentioned earlier, systems. That stands for saving yourself time, energy, and money. So let's go with exercising, because I think that's the easiest thing that everybody can relate to, even myself. I went to the gym before, I didn't have a plan or a system, and guess what? I failed. It's because I didn't put a system in place to be successful. If you set up a system, you will become successful in anything. It doesn't matter. If you're doing stock trading, starting a business, exercise, just having a system in place. So let's start with T, which is time. A lot of people sign up for the gym, especially around New Year, saying, I'm going to the gym, New Year's resolution, I'm gonna get going. One, stop waiting for New Year's to go to the gym. If you want to go to the gym, decide to make that decision that you're gonna go and work out, and then choose a schedule that you wanna do. So start with just packing your bag, leaving it at the front door. Why? Because then it'll give you a reminder that, okay, my bag's here. If I leave it here, do the thing at the gym. So the first thing you want to do is figure out what can I do to make sure that I'm consistent at doing this. Make it as simple as possible. Maybe even say, I'm going to go to the gym for 5 minutes. 5 minutes every day. Now this sounds foolish, but the fact that you got out of your house knowing that you're only going to work out 5 minutes, maybe on the treadmill, is better than not doing anything, right? So 5 minutes. You say, I'm gonna dedicate 3 days a week, 5 minutes. Choose the days of the week. So start with something that's so minimal that it won't be like, okay, damn, I didn't do this, right? The next is energy. Many people go to the gym without their plan and it results in burnout. Don't go to the gym knowing you don't have a routine in place as to what you're gonna do or what exercise you're gonna do. If you're unsure of what you need to do, research. You have Google, coach, or trainer. Someone that can help you stay on the right path and make sure that you're using the right amount of energy when you go to the gym. To make sure that you get a good workout and you have enough energy to go back the next day, because you're trying to be consistent at going to the gym. So you want to make a plan and stick to it. Also, what you're eating also plays a part in your energy. If you're going to go to the gym, then have McDonald's after, that's not going to cut it. Like, you're literally reversing what you just did at the gym. So have a plan in place as to what you're gonna do to make sure you have enough energy to keep going to the gym or that business that you're starting. Last but not least, we have money. You paid for the membership to go to the gym, and guess what happens? You don't go. I've done this, you've done this, we all are guilty of this, and we have done this one time or another. You say, yeah, I'm going to the gym. Or, yeah, I want to sign up for the gym, and then you don't go. Or you maybe stay consistent for a month or two, and then you fall off track. Guess what you're doing? You're wasting money. You're wasting dollars that can be allocated to something else. If you know you can't commit to going to the gym, do at-home exercises. Watch YouTube, HIIT training. You don't even need actual weights there. It's just body strength. It's just high intensity workouts that you're doing. So that's another thing you could do to help you save some costs and you're not wasting money. So figure out what it is that you're gonna do and how much it's gonna cost you. If you can do it for free, great. But if you're gonna pay a fee to go to the gym, make sure you set up your plan so that you're not wasting money. And then say to yourself how long you're gonna stay there. Just gradually increase it over time. You don't have to make it so difficult for yourself. If you create a system, instead of just saying, I'm going to be a content creator, it's going to result to burnout. Especially when you're doing it by yourself. So you want to be a content creator. So what do you need? Content. Then you got to figure out what platform. Is it going to be video or is it going to be an image? You have so many different variables to choose from when it comes to this. But saying, okay, this week I'm gonna post this, telling yourself that you're gonna do it, yeah, you're bound to fail. Why not set up your days in the week around creating content and the platforms you're gonna use? For example, let's say you're gonna talk about YouTube. maybe Monday is your planning as to what you're gonna post on YouTube. Once you have what you're gonna post, you do your research and say, Tuesday, I'm gonna shoot my videos. Wednesday, I'm gonna edit my videos. Then Thursday, I'm gonna post my video. And let's just say it's those 4 days. Every day you just go 1, 2, 3, or every week, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This way will save you so much time just by starting with this alone. Once you get into a routine of things and you know how long it takes you to do X, Y, Z, then you can say, all right, planning, I'm gonna dedicate 2 hours on Mondays. Videos, I'm gonna dedicate 2 hours on Mondays. Edits, I'm gonna dedicate maybe 4 hours. And then Thursday, I'm posting, so that's 1 hour. And posting includes engaging with audience on different platforms to let them know about the videos. So with all that said being done, that's 9 hours a week you put into making YouTube videos. This is a system that you can easily do for yourself to make sure that you're consistent with making YouTube videos. A lot of people, they say they're gonna start something and guess what? Burn out the week after. Because they don't have a plan in place. This right here, it saves me time because I know exactly how much time I'm gonna be doing for this, 9 hours. I don't have to put more energy into this because the energy, if I was just saying I just want to be a content creator with no plan, the amount of energy that it's going to take you to think of these things, do it, and make sure that everything is good quality, it's going to take forever. And it's going to be so much energy. By like the following week or following month, you're done. You're burnt out. But now here, because you know what you're doing, 2 hours, 2 hours, 4 hours, you're already prepared for this, and it's like, okay, I know what I need to do. I have the strength to do it at this time, and I'm good to go. The next is money. You're literally throwing away money. Like, for example, YouTube, say you're monetized, but you're not posting consistently. You're throwing away money because you don't have a plan. You don't have a system in place. That's why it's so important to create this system, because now, because you have the system in place, you're saving the money because maybe you're in a rush, you're like, oh, I gotta go hire an editor, I can't do this, I can't do that, I'm gonna just pay somebody, but then you pay somebody and then you don't get the results you want. Guess what? That's your fault. And that's money you're losing because you didn't have a system in place. So, anything that you're struggling with, I encourage you to start building a system for yourself so that you can save your time, your energy, and your money. And thank you for tuning in to Whiteboard Wednesdays. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you can keep up to date with the next episodes.